Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you all my DIY skincare and hair care mask, and a lot of you all actually commented and asked me to make a video on hair care, and a lot of you all wanted DIY, so I decided to mix both of these. And I actually spoke to my grandmom and tried to grab a few secrets from her, and I got a lot of stuff. If you wanna know what the skincare magical mask is all about, let's get into the video. Take a mixer grinder and powder some moong dal in it. Now powder some fenugreek seeds in the same manner. Take equal proportions of both of these powders. Now heat some water and add it to the fenugreek and moong dal mixture and mix it really well. Keep doing this until the water is up till the brim and let it soak for around 2 hours. It's been 2 hours now, and this is what the paste looks like. I have a separate bowl over here. I'm just gonna take out around 4 tablespoons for my face and keep the rest for my hair. I've got so much of mask with me right now. I'm gonna be adding some coconut oil to this. This is a cold pressed coconut oil and it's edible. So I'm just gonna be adding this. You can also use the regular coconut oil if you wish, but I prefer cold pressed ones. I'm adding 1/4 tablespoon of multani mitti over here and mixing the mixture really well. This step is especially good for people with an oily scalp. Guys, do comment down below and let me know if you want more DIY videos. Now let's start applying it. So I'm gonna start applying this mask on my hair. You can also add amla powder if you're suffering from premature hair graying. Guys, this is getting really messy, so I'll just sit down or something so that I don't end up messing my bed. So I'll just get back in 2 minutes. Guys, I'm back, and I also have changed my clothes so that I wouldn't mind if it gets messy. The reason for me to add multani mitti to this hair mask is because it strengthens your roots. Now let's move on to the face mask, guys. I'm taking the paste I had kept aside. Mix 2 tablespoons of yogurt and 1/4 teaspoon of fuller's earth powder to it until you get this consistency. One thing about DIY masks, guys, you need to take a little bit on your fingers and scrub it. Although I looked really scary, the mask felt really nice on my face. This mask really exfoliates your skin. So guys, I'm done with applying my mask on my face. Now I'm gonna leave both of these masks for around 45 minutes and I'm gonna wash them and get back to y'all in some time. So guys, I am back after washing my hair, and I've dried my hair using the blow dryer. I would suggest you not to use the blow dryer because you have just done a lot of good to your hair. So let it air dry, guys. Unless it's an emergency, just let it air dry. After you're done with washing your hair, just towel dry it, then use a pump of serum on your hair and then let it air dry. And talking about my skin, I'm not gonna say anything. You can see the results yourself. Before this video, I had shot 2 other videos, guys. My skin was looking really dull in both of those videos. I don't think they are up right now. You can see my skin in the nighttime skincare routine using sheet mask. It looks really dull. So this face mask has actually helped me get back that brightness on my face, and I've got a glow which I'm loving. So I really hope you enjoyed this skincare and hair care remedy, and if you did, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. This is me, Afreen, signing off now. Bye bye.